Hey guys, how's it going? So today was a rather busy day in the Graced Wood Shop. I was able to knock out a few thing on the CNC machine, make another socket organizer, and while that was going, I was tinkering around. So let me show you what I got done today. So that's the socket organizer that I got done finishing today. Then I worked on a little red solo cup. I don't know what we're gonna call it. Holder, red solo cup holder. And then you got your big boy cup, and then made this. Now tinkering around with it, I mean, you can see the lines of where I've drawn things, but yeah, what it is it's that. But I bought that one from somebody, and I was not too impressed with the wood crafting they did. I mean, there's definitely some flaws here and there, but I mean, it was 30 bucks. I was like, well, I think I can do better. So I'm going to play around and figure out just the best way to do it. But it's functional, and you know how it goes. The more you do it, the more you practice, the better you get. So I hope you guys are having a great day. Have a great weekend, and I will see you again. Have a good one.